What's good with y'all super niggas? Today I'm gonna tell you how to install a RAM into your RAM motherboard slot. Bullshit ass motherfucker, whatever this shit is. We got some off-brand knockoff piece of shit. 8 gigs of RAM. Not even dual channel. It fucking sucks. You wanna look at your motherboard manual first to see which of these four it goes in. And if you have two, it goes into the alternating colors, both of them. So in this instance, mine goes in this black one. So there's either going to be one or two pins, depending on which motherboard you have. You click them down with your fingers, another, placed out. Then you want to line up the stick of RAM each side of the little area. And then it kind of just falls in, give it a little tap. Now it's in both sides. And with both your fingers, I'm not going to do it because I'm a ghetto ass gangster motherfucker, Travis Scott. But you want to use both your fingers. Both of your fingers. And bam. Just like that. You have to give it a lot of force, but give it equal pressure, or else you'll fuck up everything. It's been your boy, Travis Scott. Now get the fuck out of my face.